Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to create simple batch file in Windows 7, 8, and 10. This text file contain multiple DOS commands. All commands are arranged and make a single batch file. Type cmd/k. Double quotes and symbol and symbol and symbol and symbol. Closing with double quotes. Save the file to BAT extension. Right-click the BAT file, run as administrator. All the DOS commands are executed one by one. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.